Championship belt. Let's do it. And I will use the Rifty. Let's use Rifty. I like using Rifty. The Rifty Ripper. Die! Now I am too powerful. I like to see everyone try and kill me now. I'll just stand here. Oh, you were almost clever. But you were not clever enough. I'd like to see them. Oh, it's a timed round. Oh, that would almost be threatening if I didn't have one of these things. Whoa. Ha ha ha. Kill. I'm too strong. That's how awesome I am. Just lol.
I will get my back. I need to go get something to drink because I am thirsty.
Okay. I just stand here, I'll be fine. See what I mean? Oh, it's a time round. Shit. Get in there. Okay, no problem. No problem. Oh good, ammo. I was needing some of that. Bye. Goodbye, fools. It seems that my plans for world domination are perfect. For I use the Rift Ripper and then all falls into place. Oh shit. That's no problem. Look at them. Dying instantly. With the awesome power of my Rift Ripper, which is going to be a V7 any second now. Just need to get some ammo just to be sure. Don't want you guys. Whoa! That was close. Let's not run out of Rift Ripper. We don't want that now, do we? Oh yes, it's going to be upgrading very shortly. Goodbye, fools. Yes. Excellent. Oh, wow. It's the V7. It's the Giga Rift. Yeah, I think they only do go up to V8, actually. Pretty sure they do. Whoa, that was close. That is just lol. You're all gonna die. Get sucked in, boys. Dun, dun, dun. Oh dear. The might of the V7. Nothing can stop me now. I wonder if this will hurt them at all. No idea. It does, but very minimal. Damn. Oh, I wonder. No. Didn't think so. Worth a try, though. Worth a try. Would have been funny. They shoot rockets now, that's cool. That's pretty cool. This is really easy. Wow, this is really easy, that was right. Need something spectacular. Just rally over Rift Ripper. Just attack it. Go, 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 go. gone. Rift Ripper got no credit, as usual. Aww. Oh well. Well, that was useful. And really, really easy, may I add. Going to Planet Aquatos. I love Planet Aquatos. Great place for the Rift Ripper to upgrade. Yeah. It really though, it is. It's a great place. Excellent. Cutscene skip time. Oh yeah, I just realised we got the Cork Vid comic, which I won't do now actually. I shall do it later, for it's not necessary right now. Ta-da! Excellent, there we go. Aquatos. Planet Aquatos. Aquatos.
Incoming call. Oh no.
Hollow Star film, don't care. Can't go there yet anyway, but I don't care. Planet Aquatos. Love this planet. It's a great planet. Let's see the vendor. I feel like treating myself. Not sure what yet though. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's more like it. I'm gonna get back to it. There we go. That is how it's done. That is how you do it in this game. Let's check. Let's meddle around with a quick select. I don't want you. I want to swap that for you. Swap a little ducky for you. Oh yeah, that's more like it. Go, Skid.
Skid?
Yep. In the flesh. This should be interesting. Goodbye, any more things? Oh yeah, they go in. They go in nice and quickly. Ah, yes. This is how it's done. Bolts ahoy. Goodbye, thing. Loads of bolts, nice. I want all the boats over there. Come on, give me the bolts. Hurry, hurry, hurry. No, I wanted all those bolts, damn it. Yes. Yeah, my Rift is now a V7 and nearly a V8. I think they only go up to V8. I'm pretty sure they do. I vaguely remember that they only go to V8, so I'm going to deduce that they only do go up there that far. Oh well. It makes no difference. For it actually makes my life a lot easier because I only need to level up each weapon 3 times instead of 5. That makes things a lot easier. So that's a good thing.
Don't you get like a skill point for, or not a skill point, but whatever?
Yeah, you get a skill point. Yeah, for
like
blowing up
touching
everything.
all those?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get a skill point for blowing up all crates. That is correct. That is correct. I see the eyewitness account from the eyewitness guy from Planet Dax tells you everything you need to know. He knows all. I'm just going to use this thing. Just because I can. I bought the Mega Book. I bought the V6 version of it, so it's awesome. Actually, that's not true. I've just realised you only need to level them up twice, because it starts at V6. Just by buying it, levels it up. Wow, that makes it a lot easier than I thought it needs to be. Each weapon needs to be leveled up twice. That's really easy. Indeed, it's a piece of cake.
So what level is this? V7?
Yeah, this is a V7, so I need to upload it, upgrade it one more time.
Upload it.
Upload it once. Upload it once for maximum damage. The nanotech upgrades are awesome too. Oh wow. Would you look at that? The times 20. Just gonna get loads of ults of different things. I've got 139,000. I had none when I started this level. I'm not kidding, because I wasted it all buying like different stuff. So I had none, and now I have times 20, and I've got 150,000 again. I'm rich! Damn it, I'm rich! Oh god, you almost hit me in the face. Wah!
Jeez, that's a lot of
Money, money. Give me more money. Well, that was helpful. Where do I go? I can never remember. I can't remember which direction it is. It's a direction. Is that way? Is it? No, but that's a dead end. I'm so confused. Oh, it's that way.
the way to get up
Ah!
or whatever.
Yeah, titanium. The titanium bolt.
Titanium.
I've just realised I lost my times 20 because I got hit. Damn. Darn it. Oh well. No matter.
Oh, this is that super level where you get the, like...
Yeah. Glitchville, I call it. I like to call it Glitchville. Due to recent events. Hey, Skid. There were guys there, and they're attacking us. It no matter because they're dead. You're right, it was a piece of cake. Oh, now we use the Tyra guys. We get to the Tyra guys area. I like the Tyra guys. Except the one thing, actually, apart from the fact that I can't use my weapons that I hate, I want to use my weapons more. I want them to be V7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12. They can't be that high, so it makes no difference. Oh yeah, this is where we meet Sam Incognito, which makes no difference because we've got all the weapons.
Shh! Clank, did you hear that? We are not alone.
Yeah.
Hey, dudes, I forgot to feed my goldfish.
Lies.
I'll see you back at the...
Well, if it ain't two of my best customers.
I love this guy.
Incognito?
He's
Down
awesome.
here.
I had a small run-in with the cops concerning a suck cannon upgrade that was mistakenly sold to a minor. I swear the kid looked 18. Anyway, I needed to find a less conspicuous place to do business. I take it you two are still in the market.
Well, let's see what you got.
Awesome. Love him. Yeah, I've got him all there. So it makes no difference. Let's go in here. Take submarine. Right. Submarine. A very conspicuous loading screen. I'm pretty sure it's the two guys.
There's the
Yep,
ventilation.
let's go. Oh no, you play Clank first. Forgot about that. Wow, that was close. I almost died. Go, Scott.
You'll be the greatest in Corridai.
Well done, Scrunch. I have a new favourite word, apart from Dax. My favourite word, because I've been playing Wipeout, is Acidai. It's the name of my ship, but it's the coolest word ever. Acidai. It's just the way the robotic voice says it. Acidai. It sounds so serious. Acidai. Seriousness. That's the word ass in it. Lol. X. Triangle. Square. Circle. There we go. Thank you, let me through, blah blah blah. Thank you very much. I'm in. Boing, 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 boing.